All right, hey guys. So we are gonna now go over RM13. So this should already be completed. I'm gonna move quickly through this. If you don't have it done, you are only hurting yourself. So how we would do this in the classroom is I would have students come up onto the board, fill it in, and sit back down. Those of you who are struggling, I'd sit down with you for a second, go over it, and then we would move on. Okay. So I already have two examples done. So we're going to start with helium. Make sure you have your periodic table with you. Helium's chemical symbol, so you need to look on the periodic table. Helium's pretty easy to find. Its chemical symbol is capital H, capital H, lowercase e. Its atomic number is 2. Its mass number, let me zoom in, 4. There's no need to round, it's 4.0. So that means that helium has 2 protons and 2 electrons. And then you're going to subtract your mass number and your atomic number. 4 minus 2 equals 2 neutrons. Okay, now we're going to do neon. Thankfully, neon is right below helium, so that's really easy to find. Its chemical symbol is capital N and a lowercase e. And its atomic number is 10. And its mass number is 20.1, so there's no need to round. And because the atomic number is 10, that means I have 10 protons and 10 electrons. Then we subtract our mass number and our atomic number. 20 minus 10 equals 10. Sulfur is a capital S, and it's right here in the same area. Its atomic number is 16, and its mass number is 32. Because its atomic number is 16, I have 16 protons and 16 electrons. And now, because I want to be super sure of my answer, I have my calculator. My mass number is 32 minus my atomic number of 16. I have 16 neutrons. Now 10 can be a little difficult to find, so let's scroll through right here. I actually went too far. 10, its chemical symbol is a capital S and a lowercase n. And its atomic number is 50. And its atomic mass is 118.7, so I need to round to 119. Because the atomic number is 50, that means it has 50 protons and 50 electrons. I'm going to use my calculator again. My mass number is 119 minus my atomic number of 50 gives me 69 neutrons. So now it's carbon's turn. Carbon is a gas. So I need to come over to the left side of my periodic table, and carbon is right there in period 2. It's represented by a capital C. And it has an atomic number of 6 and a mass number of 12. So that means there are 6 protons and 6 electrons. And then 12 minus 6 equals 6, so there are 6 neutrons. Next is potassium. Now, in the past, potassium has been a little difficult for students to find because the chemical symbol is completely different than the name. But potassium is an alkali metal, so it is in the very first column right there. And it's represented by a K, capital K. and it has 19 for an atomic number, and its mass number is 39. Because the atomic number is 19, I have 19 protons and 19 electrons, and my neutrons will be the mass number 39 minus the atomic number 19, 20. Okay, what's next? All right, so magnesium is in the same area as potassium, and it's represented by a capital M, a capital M, and a lowercase g, and it has 12, an atomic number of 12. And so magnesium has a mass number of 24, and because it has an atomic number of 12, its number of protons is 12, and the number of electrons is also 12. And then for neutrons, we have mass number 24 minus atomic number 12, giving us 12 neutrons. Okay, the next element is calcium. Calcium is right beneath magnesium, represented by a capital A and a lowercase c. And it has an atomic number of 20 and a mass number of 40. And so that means that calcium has 20 protons because the atomic number is 20, and it has 20 electrons. For the number of neutrons, it's the mass number 40 minus the atomic number 20, giving me 20 neutrons. Okay? And the last one to look for is gold. Now, gold is a metal. I'm going to zoom out a little bit, see if I can find it. All right, and it is right there. Number 79. So gold is represented by a capital A and a lowercase u. And gold has 79, an atomic number of 79. It has a mass number of 196.97, so I'm going to round up to 197. And gold has 79 protons and 79 electrons, because protons and electrons are equal to the atomic number in a stable atom. To find the number of neutrons, I need my calculator again. The mass number is 197 minus the atomic number of 79 gives me 118 neutrons. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like complete. And now get ready for Bohr models.